Hey, good Saturday morning, Saturday, August 24th, 2019. Another fine sunny Saturday. And with that, we are going to continue on with Mark's Crypto Corner News. And in today's unscripted rip and raid, we're going to try to scroll with our mouse. Don't know why we can't. Oh, there we go. Announcing 10 billion coins third partnership and 3 IEO listing beginning 28th of August. IEO partnership. Okay, well, I haven't really heard of them. There's so many coins out there. You can't possibly know them all. Or could you? I don't know. You'd have to spend a lot of time. So, official release. LA token. Yeah, I think that's something to do with the basketball. Maybe LA Lakers. I heard something about cryptocurrency and basketball a while ago. Let's see. 10 billion coin announces the launch of a third partnership and the commencement of its IEO on 3 major exchanges on August 28th. Coming up. Nantong, China, in just this past month, in addition to signing 2 other multi-billion RMB institutions onto the 10 billion coin blockchain. Those being the institute, blah blah blah. Okay, so an official release coming August 28th. I think something to do with basketball. It looks basketballish, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Point to point, business to business, Vindex, LA token. Okay. Doing what you want with your money is a fundamental right. I would think so, as long as you don't plan on starting wars with it or for it. Since the birth of Bitcoin, crusaders fighting for the separation of money and state discovered a new payment tool that bypasses the nation's state control over the monetary system. For over 10 years now, lots of people have been using digital currencies to hide from prying eyes of governments in order to free themselves from the tyranny and oppression of the banks and governments. Telling you, oh, you made this much? Well, then we're just going to take it from you. Yeah. Although I do pay my taxes. However, I find some of their rules downright oppressive. But moving on. Yeah. Doing what you want with your money. What's this? We've got a little picture. It's the little BitPay wallet. You got a Visa card now. Blockchain Bitcoin wallet integrates BitPay. Bitcoin wallet and Blockchain Explorer blockchain, which has more than 41 million users, has revealed today that now has BitPay integration. This new integration now enables blockchain users to make Bitcoin transactions with any merchant that uses BitPay. And today, spending crypto from your phone or online is even easier thanks to new integrations by companies that are merging technologies and coming up with new and better and faster ways to make our lives better, hopefully. Yes. So I think BitPay has a card, but it may not be available in all the countries. Canada is pretty common for having things not being available. I'll have to investigate that. BitPay. I have yet to walk into a store and be able to spend some Bitcoin from my BitPay wallet, but it won't be long now. I think before merchants start integrating Bitcoin into their business. Bitmain to increase hash rate by 50% with 60,000 new mining chips. Okay, well, that's going to create a lot of heat. You should send that heat to some people that can't afford heat. I don't know how, or maybe they could just move there and work there for free and stay warm. Might not be a bad idea. Showing renewed optimism, Bitmain is increasing its investments into the crypto mining industry. Now Bitmain is reportedly buying 60,000 new crypto mining chips. As a result of this new investment, the company expects to make over $1 billion in profits. Bitmain to increase its capacity by 50% hash rate to battle to produce fast cryptocurrency. Right. There you go. Mining has always been a controversial issue. They gotta sort out ways to make it cooler. I think they're working on that. Creates a lot of heat and sucks energy. I wonder who the company is that provided these chips. It's probably already gone up in stock value. Bitcoin ATM scooped up from mall by 2 thieves. I don't know if they're smart or just really stupid. Probably more stupid than smart. They're taking it to the hackers. Okay, earlier this month in a mall in Linwood, Washington, 2 men went in and stole a Bitcoin ATM. According to security footage, the alleged thieves went into the mall, but as it turns out, not for a shopping spree, an ATM spree. After the store closed at 9, but the mall was still open, and the men came in and took the machine and ran away. They probably got caught. I'm not going down that rabbit hole. Okay, what's next? Siam Commercial Bank confirms using Ripple to power its cross-border payments. Well, I was mentioning before, that's what it's for. Ripple is a well-known utility coin used by the banking industry to move funds around. It's cheaper and faster, much faster. Western Union is going to start losing sales. According to a recent report, Siam Commercial Bank, the largest commercial bank in Thailand, has officially made it known that it has started conducting cross-border payments through Ripple Via Easy Pay app. Yes, okay. And the firm has updated its website with a detailed description of ways in which it will be making use of such an app. I wonder if we could use those apps on our phone and transfer money. I mean, you could just send money via Bitcoin across the world anyways, so I'm not sure exactly how it integrates, but obviously it has a good potential, which is why a lot of people own Ripple. As more and more banks start using it, it's probably around 25 to 35 cents right now in there. And so what's next? How Facebook could change the money transfer industry? Facebook, really? Man, they're getting their hands into too many things. Facebook's new project has been all in the news and media. Is it a flash in the pan, or are we witnessing the beginnings of disruption? Well, we're in the middle of disruption now. Let's see now. In this piece by moneytransfers.com, online money transfers specialist, we explore how Facebook could change the money transfer industry with their Libra being backed by PayPal and MasterCard and a bunch of other giants in the industry. So, yeah, just be warned, beware. Let's see. Scammers steal $230K worth of Bitcoin in Twitter scheme. Really? Wow. Two hit Bitcoin impersonators have been charged with fraud and money laundering after swindling a U.S. citizen out of $200,000 worth of Bitcoin through Twitter. How does that even happen? According to the U.S. Attorney in the District of Oregon, Billy J. Williams, the two accused, Karanjit Singh Qatar and Jagrup Singh Qatar, brothers, or son and brother, have been charged with committing wire fraud, money laundering, and I hope that guy got his money back. At least they got caught this time. because these guys are like the types of people that call you and say they're from the Canada Revenue Agency, and if you don't call back, you're going to be arrested, and then they want you to send them like iTunes and Bitcoin. They're so stupid. Do you think we're stupid? Karen G and Jag Group, okay? We're not freaking stupid. Apparently somebody is, but they got busted. So, Sing Sing, get it together. Stop pulling these scams. Next. Bitcoin price analysis. Bullish divergence forms at 10K. Is 11K next? Oh my god, maybe it'll go to 12, or maybe it'll drop to 9,800. My goodness. There's a bet between some CEO and the CEO of Binance on whether it'll be 8,000 by the end of August or not. So it seems like it's hovering around there. So you never know. You never know. But it's a fun ride just the same. So bullish divergence forms at 10K. Okay, Bitcoin breaks 5-day long uptrend, dropping back to key support levels at 98. Since then, bullish divergence appears to have formed in lower time frames and could spur a reversal in the coming days. The Bitcoin 1-hour analysis on the 1-hour chart for the XBT-USD pair, we can see that the ascending wedge that formed throughout the okay, I don't really care that much. I like trading Bitcoin and some other coins and stuff, but this kind of stuff just doesn't jive well with me. Too much over geekiness. I'm geek, but not that geeky. Not saying that there's anything wrong with that, of course, if you understand all that stuff. I don't need to get into that frame of mind just to know what's going on. Okay, cryptocurrency domains have become hot property. That's right. I own some crypto.com names, and some of them are, taken. A lot of the good ones are taken, or they're very expensive, into the hundreds and thousands, So Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain technology have become mainstream terms and are now featured in most dictionaries. Crypto-related terms have a lot of value when they are tethered to a web domain, and these days digital currency domains are prime real estate, with some selling for up to 7 figures. Yes. Non-fungible crypto kitties. Non-fungible coins, by the way, are a one-of-a-kind coin. There's only one of them. And they're used a lot, mostly in gaming and things like that, like collector item type of things. I'm not a gamer, so I can't really go down that road there too much. But one utility coin in the gaming is ENG that I've been keeping an eye on. It's pretty cheap right now. Might be something to look at. Check out the white papers. They're pretty interesting. But I think they can create all kinds of different coin scenarios, and it's trading like just pennies a glass, really. ENG, I think it is, engine coin. So non-fungible in the gaming, and ENG is a gaming crypto utility coin. So it has potential, I think, because the gaming industry is pretty large. And looks like that's it for the good old Crypto Corner news report, unscripted and all that funny business, candid even. So I'm going to put a link below. Click on it if you want to know some cool things. Or you know what? You could put your email there and grab some information. And hit me up right there. Press that button. Join me on Facebook and get some updates and things. Keep you posted on what's real, what's going on. All right. Thanks. Happy Saturday. Love you.